Our African champion is next.
African champions.
African champion.
African champions.
African champions.
Olive Morris is our African champion.
You be champion.
Olive Morris was a Jamaican-born British-based community leader and activist in the feminist black nationalist. Now, she was central to the Squatters campaign in 1960 and 1970. That was during that period when discrimination in housing and employment made life extremely difficult for African Caribbean community, right? For the African Caribbean community. Now, Olive was a woman who turned squatting into an art. Yeah, she actually turned it into an art form. This is how it was. Now, in honor of that skill set, Olive is photographed, scaling the wall of a house on the front corner of the Squatter's Handbook. Now, she became a key figure in the campaign against oppression, racial injustice, and sexism in Britain. Morris joined the revolutionary socialist Black Panther movement and became a founding member of the Brixton Black Women's Group. Now, the Brixton Black Women's Group sought to bring together a number of different, backgrounds and political perspective in Britain. So, different backgrounds, different wherever it is, so far as you fall within that umbrella of being discriminated, because of where you're from, because of your ethnicity, because of the color of your skin. That organization was meant for you to be a part of because they actually, they had the word, they had the voice, they are the ones that would stand in for you, right? So she, was a founding member of that group. And of course, in 1978, she co-founded the Organization of Women and African and Asian Descent, right? And was instrumental in the campaign to end police stop and search. That's the SUS laws. Morris read economics and social science at Manchester University, where she campaigned against high overseas students' fees. Very, very significant. That's when you have, people from Africa and Caribbean, West Indies, and what have you, go into, schooling abroad, and you pay outrageous fees because, well, yeah, that brings to mind. The continent is rich, so yeah, there's more money here. But then I think it's more of like you're cheating people just because of where they're from or who they are, which is not fair, and that is what Olive Morris stood for. Today, our African champion is Olive Morris.
You are an African champion.
Log on to africaglobalradio.com for more African champions right there.